Hello again. So, if you remember, way back when, um, we had um, something called Regexes, which kind of like were a way to like look up specific sorts of strings and stuff. We can actually use these regexes, these regular expressions, as a keyword argument in our InputPlus module. So we have like two basic ones: allow regexes and block regexes. And we'll first start. Let's do allow regexes equals, and we're going to use square brackets and set it up like we have done. So we put the R, those quotation marks, and then if I'm working with just Roman numerals, I'm going to put these parentheses and then I pipe, V pipe. I'm just going to put some Roman numerals: X, L, C, D, and M. And then put the plus sign at the end so it knows, like, alright, don't just hit one of these, like, go through all of them, really. And, yeah, after that, we will have R with 0. So, if we run this program, and I type some sort of Roman numeral, like this, it's fine. And if I do all lowercase, it says it's not a number, but I mean, like, what are you gonna do? Because we didn't have it uppercase for everything. But if I had it as lowercase, like I, V, X, L, C, D, M, they're all lowercase instead, and I enter the same thing, X, L, I, it works. It's fine. But if I were to try all capitals, it would give me that error. So in this case, the regex's purpose is to make it so our input is formatted like in this very specific manner, where it only accepts like some sort one of these Roman numerals. Then we have the, instead of allow regexes, we can block a regex. So the way that is going to work is let's say I want to block the numbers 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. I want any evens. And then put that $sign there so that it'll like search through the whole thing. And then let's run it. If I enter 42, it does not like that since 4 and 2 appear there. If it was 44, that's not valid either. But 43 is a-okay. Because, like, in the case of, this regex, since it has that 3 in there, it's fine, and it is considered a valid response. And then One other thing we could do is sort of have both a allow regex and a block regex in a single input. So let's change this back to allow. And then I'm going to allow, all right, I'm going to allow, where it's caterpillar and category. However, I'm going to block the regex of cat. Okay. And let me change this to string because we're not really working with numbers right now. All right, so here's our basic setup. Let's run it. And of course, what did I do wrong? Block regex. Oh, is there we go. So, all right, if I put cat, it's invalid because it's part of our blocked regex. But if I put catastrophe, it's still invalid because it has cat as a part of it, like the first three letters. However, if I put category, that's allowed because that's part of my allowed versions. So even though it still has cat as the first three letters, which should mean it's blocked, like how we had for catastrophe, since category is a valid regex, it's allowed, then there won't be any problems using that.